Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope everyone's being safe with this whole thing going on. Today I just want to show you guys the go kart I got. Actually, I got this when I was like 10 years old, 13 years old. It's a pretty cool little go kart. Like, it was when I was 10 years old. I wanted a go kart really bad, or 10. I don't know how old I was. Whatever how old I was when I was younger. So my dad got me this go kart a while ago. That wheel back there was bent backwards. I guess the guy hit it or something. I have no clue. It looks like he has to bent the sprocket on it or something. Something was bent. But I gotta take it apart and figure that out. Another thing is, yeah, here. Oh, hold on. As you can see, that's flat. That's bent up. So whoever had this before, you did not know how to bend metal or fabricate anything, or he was just out of it, you know. I can't explain that. Honestly, I really can't. Another thing is the brake pedal and gas pedal. I think I'm gonna have to refabricate these a little bit. Yeah, because I'm gonna be sitting. Oh, ow! Oh, yeah. I'll probably be sitting like this, and it's not terrible, but it's like, for a comfort standpoint, it's like I may push these pedals up a little bit more to be like right here maybe. And I can't show you how to, because I have these things poking up at me. But putting it up right here so I can go like this and maybe put them a little downward so I'm not pushing my foot up so hard. So maybe put it like where it's like that, not like that, but like maybe right there, and then stop it there and then be able to vroom vroom vroom. Brake's all hooked up. That's all hooked up here. But it works, you know. It's one wheel brake. I can see that going wrong in a lot of ways. Oh, what the? Oh, it's brake. But so I think yesterday, 2 days ago, I picked up a Predator 212 engine. I think it's gonna make 6.5 horsepower, if I'm not mistaken. Does it say anywhere on the side? No. Yeah, no, it doesn't. But it makes about 6.5 engine. I mean, 6.5 engine. It makes about 6.5 horsepower. It what do you call it? It's the non-Hemi version, which you can tell by the thing here. This version, the non-Hemi has this version here. I don't know the difference between the Hemi or non-Hemi. I just know this is a non-Hemi. The only difference I know is that the valve cover, and I believe the pull string is a little different. I think this is the hollow on the Hemi. But picked up this engine. I haven't got it running yet. There's no gas in it. I did put oil in it just so my dad or somebody or me, even me, does not try to run this motor without oil. So she's all filled up the oil. Anything else with it? No, I can't really talk much about it. I haven't got it running or anything. So but other than that, I test fitted onto here. I might have to raise it probably about 2 inches. I don't know if it's 6, but 2 inches, because right now it's like right here. So I just want to at least get like right here at least. I'll probably go a little higher up. I don't know. 2 to like 4 inches up higher from this position it is here. So that's where that's at. And yeah, gotta get new tires for it. Tires are all cracked. Surprisingly, these ones here are holding air. Surprisingly, these are holding air. Yeah, these are all holding air. Just not this one. This one's not. This one's really not holding air. All right. So what's gonna become to the channel with this is I'm gonna start a whole series of building this thing from new tires, maybe refabricating some of the things like the chair, the pedals, even the steering. I gotta fix the steering a little bit, I think, but I won't be able to tell that until I actually get into moving more. Definitely, I might even make a solid axle version of this, so I might even cut these all off here, and then I'll put a solid axle underneath here that goes right. I'm gonna weld something up to here and here to put the solid axle. So the motor will go in the center instead of on the side here. I might even put it on the side here. I may even just put it right here, but all depends. But all depends how the vert axle sprocket goes on. But so this might not just be this. We might just start with just getting it running, getting it moving with these tires here. But then, maybe if the channel picks up a lot and money comes in, or just blah blah, I get more money for my job. Yeah, we do a lot more. So yeah, so look forward to more videos on this thing. I definitely want the thing running within a month from now. I'm probably gonna get that motor running in the next week. I think my dad said my dad ordered me a clutch for it. I asked him if he just grabbed one for me. So he found one, so he got one for me. I picked up a chain. I bought a new chain for it. So hopefully it fits the sprocket here, or hopefully this sprocket's good because it might be bent, but who knows? I'll figure it out little by little. I may just shove this thing together and say it works, and then it will work with it. We'll build onto it little by little. And I think it's got really dark here. So yeah, that's the Go Kart, and tell me what you guys think. Comment down below what you guys think about it. Tell me ideas you have for it, and let me know. But other than that, guys, leave a like on the video. Comment down below anything you think it should be done to it or anything. And also subscribe to the channel because there's a lot more stuff on the channel. I definitely want to get some off-roading content on the channel, drag racing, which all depends with this quarantining stuff, which I don't know if they're doing that still around my area. But yeah, so drag racing, and then definitely go-karting. All these little mini projects, I definitely want to start getting that all going. So let's share with your friends and spread it out there. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like the video, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.